Thank you for becoming a Corel Trainer member. This is your installation guide. When you insert your Corel Trainer flash drive, you'll notice 3 folders. The first is to make sure you have a compatible version of CorelDRAW on your computer. Though Corel Trainer works with every version since X7, we often recommend an upgrade to at least version 2019. You'll find the newest version of CorelDRAW in this folder. You can double-click on the application to run the installer. If you purchase a CorelDRAW license from us, you will also find your serial number in this folder. Simply copy and paste it into Corel when prompted. Note, you must first have an account with Corel Corporation themselves. Also, it may take Corel a few days to associate your serial number to your account before it will actually register. You do not need to uninstall older versions of Corel on your computer, but we do recommend you uninstall any same versions that you may have, such as a trial, before installing CorelDRAW itself from us. There are detailed instructions in this folder, but if you need to contact us regarding CorelDRAW, the best way to do that is to email support@CorelTrainer.com. The second folder installs CorelTrainer itself. If you've downloaded it from our website, this will be your only folder. Yes, you must have a recent CorelDRAW graphics suite already installed on your computer. CorelTrainer is incredibly simple to install. It's almost like we did that on purpose, right? Just double-click CorelTrainer 22. Your computer will likely want to make sure you want to install CorelTrainer. You see, we are not a billion-dollar multinational corporation that Microsoft recognizes, so you may have to click More Info and/or I accept or Yes to something along the lines of, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Choose Next. The installer works very quickly. Then make sure you are logged into CorelTrainer. If you purchased online, you are automatically logged in. If you purchased at a trade show and are installing from the flash drive, you may need to find the first email that you received from us during purchase that will have your initial password in it. Click Finish. You will now find the CorelTrainer menu in your CorelDRAW. Just one more step. Go up to the Tools menu, choose Options and Workspaces. Click on Import at the bottom and select the version of CorelDRAW that you are currently in. Only choose the Updater option if an older version of CorelTrainer is already inside the Corel you're in. Click Open. Corel will want you to name the workspace again. I know, it's weird. So may we recommend CorelTrainer 22's super awesome workspace that adds shortcuts and other cool stuff too. Okay, maybe not that long. Click Import. You'll wait a minute or so and then, well, you're all done. There are more details in folder 2 as well if you're a reader. The third folder on your flash drive contains a great deal of additional resources for you to explore. CorelTrainer chooses its partners very carefully. We must be incredibly picky as to who we choose to work with and recommend, as education and support is all we do. This folder is also where you'll find a bunch of Great Dane graphics, samples, and examples. You may also want to check out our Success group. Thanks again for becoming a CorelTrainer member. If you get stuck, you can reach out to us anytime. Using the plugin to ask questions may be best, or email support@CorelTrainer.com. See you in class!